Morning everyone. I'm so excited. This is part 2 of my search for relics. It is. We are emptying my pin box to see how old some of the pins are. Join me the other side of the intro and let's finish our dig for gold. Hit it, maestro! I'm so excited. We are on a roll. If you haven't watched part 1, I'll put it down below. Go and watch that first. What we're doing is we're emptying my pin box. My pin box. It's quite a big pin box. It hasn't seen air for months. It is that full, I balance things on the top of the lid. Not good, is it? And in the last video, we found pins that were posted the 31st of January. So if I show you a pin and it's a relic, it's become an antique show. Be okay with that? I'm fine. But at least I get to look at them. And for me, I can't believe I buy them, I snip them open, check them, put them back in the envelope so I can show you. But they're in there months and I forget I've got them and oh, Karen. So let's start off. So what have we got here? Oh, and this one I haven't even opened. This is off my friend Alba. See, this is bad, isn't it? I haven't even opened it, and I think this might be, it's like a pin I've ordered, or it's one of her fantasy pins, and I haven't even opened it. It's bad, right. But that's old Karen. New Karen's going to be opening everything up. So, oh, it's just one pin. And that is, it's a Wreck-It Ralph and Vanellope. So that was one of the open edition ones that came from Paris. So that's that one. Right, what else have we got in here? Who's this off? I think this might have been a trade I did. Oh, and this is off my friend Alison. Alison, I can't believe I'm only just opening this up now on camera. So, yeah, we traded a pin. Right, so I'll show you the pins. She's put me some goodies in here as well. I'll show you the pins. So she sent me the Pluto one from Paris. And then this was the pin we traded for, and it was Pixar Playtime from Tokyo Disney Sea. So that's one of the Japanese pins. So those are the ones we traded for. She also put me in some stickers, and she's brought me in a little Perfect Beach Day hand back gel, and I always use that. I get through so much of that. So yeah, fabulous, fabulous. Oh, I'm thrilled to pieces. Thank you. Oh, I've got some little stickers. It's a little. So you know my pin box now, I could stick these on, couldn't I? And put the date I got them so I could keep them in order. That's a really good idea. There's a purpose to me opening this one late, Alison. There was. Right, next parcel. Who's this one off? Oh, this is off Beth. Right, what did I have off Beth? Oh. Oh, she sent me a Happy New Year card, a pig card. And Beth's got a channel, so if you don't watch her, go and find her. I'll link her down below as well. It's Vanellope on a trick or treat, look. Vanellope, Vanellope. And that's a limited edition, isn't that fab? So I'd even forgotten about that one. Right, I've just opened the window. It was getting so hot in here. I was starting to shine, and a lady can't shine, can she? So I've got some pins here from Daisy Pins again. I wonder how far back these ones go. And this was mailed 21st of January. They're getting older. Oh my word. I can't believe I've got pins even older. Right, so what did I get? I got the Aurora pin that's out of the Pass Holders 6-pin set. I forgot I got all of these. It's bad, isn't it? Oh, okay. I've got the Snow White from the Park set that I couldn't get any of the pins from. And then I got the Paint the Night limited release for the 60th birthday Toy Story Jessie and Woody, and I love this one because of the glitter in them. So how lovely. Whoop! I'm lethal. Right, next one. What have I got in here? So this was off Julie. This was a purchase I made. Oh, this is beautiful. Can't believe I haven't had this out. The Small World poster set. And then, oh, the sun's coming out, can you tell? And then inside, look, it's the Amsterdam. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful pin. And that one was back from 2012 and it's limited edition of just 1,000. So yeah, that's beautiful. Right, we haven't got much left. We haven't got much left. Right, so I've got a big box that's got limited edition of 800 on the front and I don't know what's in it. And I wonder, this is going to be a pin trading night pin for sure. Which one is it? I can't believe I can't remember. Yay! Sorry. This, I'm so excited by this. Candy's got me this one, look. So you've got inside, you've got Cookie and Duffy, and they're looking, look already. In the pin trading book. I mean, this is just phenomenal. And then what's even better, can it get better than that? Can it? What's even better is it's a limited edition of 800, but that little pin, that one right down in the bottom corner, that one that's twirling, and that one, it's actually a pin trading pin, look, and it'll go back in. How fab is that? I saw this, as soon as I saw this I was like, well, if ever there was a pin that was meant to be. But the fact that they're looking in their little book, trading pins. Love that. I love that. I love that, and I can't believe it's been in the bottom of my box and I've done nothing with it. Can't believe that. Can't believe that. Learning a big lesson today, aren't I? So what else? We've got 2 left. So who are they off? Okay, so we'll do this one here. This I think was off the site I went on, Alice's House of Treasures. What did I get? Oh, it was an Easter pin. So it's a little Easter pin. See what I mean? This is what happens when you collect everything. You literally buy everything. So that's why I'm having to be specific. And I've got a little pile going on here of things I no longer collect that I've got to trade. So yeah, but at least we know, don't we? And whatever goes in there going forward is what I'm collecting there. So then, this last packet was from, oh, this was from Daisy Pins. What did I get? See, I didn't even realise I got this. So I've actually got a Tokyo Disneyland castle. With Tinkerbell in. Oh, so that'll go on my memorabilia board because obviously we've been there. So that's lovely. And I was also able to get an extra Windows of Magic, the Aurora one, to take with me to the pin trading night, so to Epcot. So I've got an extra one of those. So that'll go. I've got a little bag down here. Well, it's not a little bag, it's a great big pin, Go Pin Pro Show Go Pin Pro. It's the show one with the showcase, and then the six sides, 3 binders in it, that I'm filling with all sorts of pins, high pins, low pins. So I've got some things hopefully I can trade when I'm there. Yeah, that's the plan. So I'm sorting that out. But I want to show you something, and this is a first. My pin box is empty. We have an empty pin mailbox. Who would ever have thought that day would come? And I'm actually really relieved, because now I know everything I've bought. I can go to my PayPal account and check I've received everything. Yeah, that's not good, is it? And at least I'm up to date, and I can put a list of anything that's on its way. So hope you've enjoyed that. Oh, this is like a shopaholics video on how to be more frugal with pins. Start my own shopaholics, rein it in with Disney pins. That's a bit of a long title, but you know what I mean. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. Oh, I can't believe it's gone that far back, but at least now they'll all be current. Hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button at the end of the video. That means I'm just one of your favourites. It doesn't cost you anything to do that. And then if you click the notification bell as well, that means that when I upload a video, they'll tell you. And if it's something you want to watch, fab. And if you don't, that's absolutely fine as well. But at least you know, and you don't miss out on anything. So, but thanks so much, everyone. Thanks for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. Don't spend a fortune. And I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.